In this short tutorial, you will learn how to delete automation on your iPhone. Automations are tasks that your iPhone can perform automatically based on certain triggers or conditions. Sometimes, you may want to delete an automation that you no longer need or that is causing issues. To get started, open up the Shortcuts app, and then tap Automation at the bottom center. Now you will be able to see all the automations you've created. Just find the automation that you want to delete. To delete an automation on your iPhone, simply swipe left on that specific automation. And then tap on the Delete button. So that wraps up this tutorial. If you have any questions about this whole process, please let me know in the comments section below. And if this video helped you out, please give it a big thumbs up and subscribe to this channel for more tutorial videos like this one. Thank you so much for watching and have a good day.